Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the question number 1, number complement. A classic coding question that tests your understanding of binary numbers and bit manipulation. We'll break it down in the simplest way possible, understand what a number complement really means, and solve it step by step so you can ace it in your interviews or coding challenges. So grab your keyboard and let's break this one together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're ready to level up your DSA game. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with Logging. Right, let's start to solve over this question by the number complement. But first of all, we will understand the question carefully and then we'll be start to solve this. Now, please the complement. Please highlight the complement. The complement of an integer is the integer you get when you flip all the zeros to ones and all the ones to zeros in its binary representation. For example, the integer 5 is 101 in binary and its complement is 010, which is the integer 2. It given an integer num and we want to return its complement. Our task says it is giving me one integer by the name of num and we want to return its complement. What complement? So if you see this example 1, here he created one integer in which he write num and integer in which he write num integer name is num and here he created one value of the 5 and the output will be coming 2 because the binary representation of 5 is 101. No leading 0 bits and its complement is 010. So you need to output 2. So that's why in our example 1 our output is becoming 2. So in our case 1 our output will become must be. So let's see our case 2. So here he created one num, here he created one integer num in which he write 1 and the output will be becoming 0. Why? Because the binary representation of 1 is 1, no leading 0 bits is and its complement is 0. So that's why we need to output 0. Okay. So in our case 1 our output will become 2 and our case 2 our output will become 0. So if you want to learn about complement, so you can come here and then you come here. What is complement? So you can learn from here what is the complement and all of this. Complement can be used to noun to refer to someone or something that completes, enhances or works well with someone or something else. Okay, so like that. So now our task is LeetCodeCamp has been giving me our integer by the name of num and we want to return its complement. And like I have told you, the complement of an integer is an integer you get when you flip all the zeros to ones and all the ones to zeros in its binary representation. So for example, it has been given me one example. For example, the integer 5 is 101 in binary and its complement is 010, which is the integer 2. So if you see in the case 1, there I write 5 and the output will be coming 2 because the binary representation of 5 is 101. There are no leading 0 bits and its complement is 010. So you need to output 2, that's why. Okay. So I hope you understand. So when I do this all the things, so let's start to solve this question. But there are very few codes to write and let's see the submission. 703 people are submit this and only 559 accepted and 574 tried and user accepted is 488. So now let's start to solve it and there are so many, so there are not any code, only one line of code there is. Okay, only 3 line of code there is, but anyways let's start to solve it. So first of all I define a class of a solution. Like all the people know, this is a rule of a LeetCodeCamp. If you start any LeetCodeCamp solution to solve, so you will be must define a solution class of a solution. So def find complement. So you are thinking why I am defining find complement, because this is a topic of our today's video. Self comma num int minus greater than int then ratio. Then we return here num and then you write here this sign, and this sign will be if this sign isn't in your keyboard, so you'll be go on here Google and you will be search here math sign. So click onto the first link, and when you click onto the first link, this website has been opened, so you can find this symbol from here. Okay, so if you go down down, I know there is it. Oh, here you can see it, there it is. So you will be copy it from here and then you will be pasted if the sign isn't in your keyboard. So now when I do this, so I define two rounded brackets in which I write 1 less than num dot bit underscore length, then rounded bracket, then minus, then 1, and then you want to only do it, copy this, copy, remove, paste. Now perfect. Now let's run it. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so the running code is correct. Here you can see our case 1 has been also be accepted. In our case 1, the expected output is 2, and my also output has been coming 2. Our case 2, our expected output is 0, and my also output has been coming 0. So this running code has been accepted. So let's share a submission code. So when I submit this code, so the submission code is also be accepted. Here you can see it. So I hope you enjoy this video in which I solve number complement question number 1 in weekly contest 14. In weekly contest 14, we solved our question number 1, but actually this question number is, let me show you, 476. In today's video, we solve our question number 476. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel. So now, anyways, let's meet you in the next class. In next video, I'm teaching us like that type of videos on the Slate Code Camp channel. So now, for today, goodbye.